Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm just gonna go straight to the point, and I'm gonna be doing another synthetic wig, and this one is a lace frontal wig. Guys, you know how I do on this channel. It's all about synthetic wigs, all about affordable wigs, and this wig is no exception, as I'm gonna be showing you how I put on my lace frontal synthetic wig and go, like literally put on and go. So it's a lace frontal wig, but I just want to show you guys how cool this wig is, because you can literally put it on without any glue, any gel, nothing at all, like literally nothing. Yes, so this is the wig that we're going to be using today, and this is my beautiful Neesha. Neesha is a soft natural lace frontal synthetic wig. When I saw the wig for the first time, I was like, yes people, that is me. That's the kind of wig I love. That's the kind of wig I want to wear. So today I'm just going to be putting this wig on my head, just for you guys to see how easy and quick it is to finish this wig. I'm not going to do anything serious, and this one, guys, is for those of you who do not want to do anything on your wig. You're a get up and go person, you just want to put the wig on your head and go to work or go for a night out or whatever. Like, I'm literally here to show you how to rock this wig. And like I said before, this wig is called Neesha. I'm gonna leave everything you need to know about this wig in the description box, so do not worry guys, like I got you covered, don't worry. Right, let's just get straight into the video. So I'm gonna take the wig out. This is a color. I love this color because I literally play safe every single time, and this time around I'm like, you know what girl, let's go all out. So we're going all out with this synthetic wig. It is a natural looking wig, natural feel, natural, like a natural texture wig, and that's why I love the wig. As you can see, it looks so cute on the model, but let's see how it's gonna look on me. I've got a couple of things on this wig. Right, so when you purchase the wig, the first buy, you're gonna get like a 5% off for your next wig. So there's like a little barcodes for their Facebook, Instagram, and all of their social media networks. And this wig is from Wiggit. So yeah, let's see how Wiggit looks on my head. And this is how the box looks. It's just kind of like an easy, quick wig. That's why I love the wig, because it's a quick wig. These days, I tell you guys, like, I do not have a single time to do anything, to glam up, to look good, to do better. Like, I do not have time. And that's the reason why I haven't been on YouTube for a very long time, because I've got so many things to do. So I'm just gonna do like a quick one with this wig. So this is how the wig looks. I honestly love the kind of like a bounce to this wig, like the way the curls just went in. This is totally my kind of wig. This is my kind of hair, and I love the fact that the color is so bright and vibrant. So yeah, let's see how this wig looks on me. So I'm just gonna show you the construction of this wig. So this is the part, and it has like lace all around. So this is more like a 13x4 lace front wig. That's the construction. So I'm just gonna show you inside of the wig. So it's got like a tiny part in the middle, but like the front lace, the front has like lace all through, so you could like literally lay to your baby hair or whatever, depending on how you want to go about it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace. Like I said before, I don't want to do anything serious. I just want to cut off the excess lace and just put it on my head basically. Right, so the front wig's been cut off. See how zappy that looks. Next thing that I'm gonna do is just to like open up that part a bit. So I'm just gonna comb it through just to open up that part. It's a decent part, so I'm not gonna like do any other thing. It's really decent. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my head again. So I have it like that, and voila. I don't literally need to do anything, people. Like, I don't need to do anything. Just go ahead and pin down the sides. So there's like comb on the sides. I'm just gonna take my concealer, my skin color concealer. Put that in. Right, so I gave myself a little bang, you know, a little side bang, just to give the wig kind of like a nice fitting. So I did that. You can leave that part out. It can be all long like this, or you can make it like a short bang like that. I'll be back to show you guys the final look. Yeah, and I'm gonna use my flat iron to like kind of give it like a nice bang. So let me just go put my lash on and I'll be back, show you guys the final look. Right, so this is the final look of this wig. I tried to do that bang, but the bang isn't staying. But I do love the way the wig looks. I do love how it feels. I love the fact that it has that natural looking texture. I like the fact that it's so soft and it's extremely like sleek. I love everything about this wig, to be honest. Like, this is one of the best synthetic wigs I've done in a while. Like, it's totally a get up and go wig. It's something that when you put it on, you don't need to do any extra work on it. I just put a little bit of concealer and that is everything I did. You can go ahead and just twist it in like this if that's what you want. You can also go ahead and straighten it into like a full bob if that is what you want. So like, really, the wig is flexible. You can do whatever you want. You can rock it however you want to rock it, and that's the best part about this wig. I love everything about this wig, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you, Wiggit, for sending me this wig. I absolutely love filming this video, and I'm gonna leave everything you need to know about this wig in the description box. So should, in case you want to purchase this wig, just kindly click the link in the description box and check out wig Neesha. I love everything about this wig, guys. Like, I can't even believe how sleek this wig came out with like minimum finessing. Like, I didn't do anything. I just cut off the lace and I just put like a little bit of concealer on the wig and everything just flipped out. I absolutely love the color. So the color is one of my favorite thing about this wig. And yes, don't forget guys, this is a synthetic wig from Wiggit hair company, and I'm gonna leave everything you need to know about this wig in the description box so you can go ahead and check it out. But like, hey, I am loving this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you have, please do ring the notification bell whenever you do, so whenever I post a video, you, my darling, will be the first to know. In the meantime guys, drink lots and lots of water, keep your skin glowing, and I will definitely be seeing you in another video. Bye guys.